Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me introduce myself again. I am Virata Kokitarankun. I am master student of computer science at Concordia University Chicago. So in this video is my last video about AWS development. So we in this video we're gonna go to AWS Amazon services. So let's get started. Amazon EC2. Let's see the difference between instant user data and instant metadata. And instant user data pertain to a set of commands that are run once instant is created. You provide the user data during instant creation. You can use this feature to bootstrap mundane configuration tasks that are commonly done while configuring a new environment. And for such instant metadata is a set of available information that describe your EC2 instance. Metadata is a general term of things that describe a data, for example, in a JPG file, aside from actual bits that make up the email. Other properties like dimension, resolution, and timestamp are embedded into the image as well. Okay, let's see auto scaling group. Let's see what difference between vertical scaling and horizontal scaling. If a person is struggling to complete a taxing job, you have two options. Replace that person with someone who more capable of handling the task or add more people to help out. This example illustrates the concept of scaling. The first option represents the vertical scaling, while the second one is known as the horizontal scaling. Vertical scaling involves replacing your current server with a more powerful one. In AWS, if the load on your instance frequently exceeds its CPU capacity, a solution could be to simple upgrade it into an EC2 instance type with more cores. Also, on the other hand, horizontal scaling is a process of adding more server to meet the demand of your application. So horizontal scaling in AWS is a process of scaling horizontally is made easier with the help of auto scaling service, which enable compute capacity to adapt dynamically based on load requirements. An auto scaling group or SSG is a collection of EC2 instances that are treated as a single unit for scaling or management purposes. That's the EC2 Image Builder. EC2 Image simplify the process of creating, managing, and deploying custom Amazon Machine Image or AMIS with specific software configuration, updates, and patches. It automates the entire image creation process, allowing you to maintain consistent and up-to-date AMIS for use across various environments, accounts, and regions. Common use case: first, automate AMI update for auto-scaling group support. You can have auto-scaling group with a launch template that reflects a custom AMI containing your application software stack. Second, reduce the boot time of instant launch in an auto-scaling group. EC2 Image Builder can enable you to reduce the event, eliminate the need for bootstrap script in your instance instead. And the third, standardizing security compliant AMI across account and region. EC2 Image Builder can enable you to enforce consistent security control and configuration on your AMIS, which can be distributed across different regions and AWS accounts. the Amazon Elastic Load Balancing or ELB. ELB distribute incoming traffic across multiple targets such as Amazon EC2 instances, AWS Lambda function, Amazon EKS container, Amazon ECS task, and other components. ELB scale as traffic change, allowing it to handle millions of requests per second. ELB are typically used in conjunction with ASG to provide a single of access for users to the underlying EC2 instance. Let's see what load balancer type. First, ELB stand for ELB is different type of a load balancer. The type of the balancer depend on the traffic that you want to distribute. Another thing to check when setting up an ELB is whether the load balancer would be internet facing or internal. Application load balancer or ALB for routing HTTP and HTTPS requests.